Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just really wanted to play around with some makeup. I feel like I haven't done that in a long time. So I have the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It's really pretty, let me tell you. So I'm just going to be kind of playing around with this palette today and kind of showing you just a fun, easy makeup routine. Does that sound good? Because I'm ready. So let's get started. So first I'm going in with the Urban Decay B6 Vitamin-Infused Complexion Priming Spray. Spray that all over. I kept going back and forth today like what foundation I wanted to use. I was going to use my NARS, but then like I've just been loving this Makeup Revolution foundation. It's killing the game, guys. So I had to use it again. Sorry about it. For primer today, I'm going in with the NARS Pore and Shine. Best primer ever. I'm really excited to try out this eyeshadow palette today. I haven't had an opportunity to try it yet, so I'm pumped. Excuse me. I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and I am in the shade F10. How do I already have makeup on my top? Whatever. Put this all over your face. The other thing I really like about this foundation is that a little goes a long way, which is perfect. I'm going with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill brushes. For the foundation brush, it is the 03, and just buff that out. Time to do some concealer. I'm using the same Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, except I'm in the shade C5. I've also noticed with this concealer, a little goes a long way as well. Like, it's just crazy how much or how little product you need to use with this brand. Don't know why, but I'll take it. If you guys haven't watched the video right before this one, I talk about my new everyday makeup tutorial. And this is the foundation routine that I use basically every day. Like, I've just been loving this formula, which is weird for me since this is drugstore. I'm a narcissist. Like, I love NARS. So, what am I doing? But, I mean, I can't knock a good drugstore foundation, especially when this is $7. This is $7, you guys. Like, if you haven't tried this foundation, you need to get on it. Like, sorry, but you just need to. It's so good. So good. I'm going with the Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I love this stuff. And I am going to use my 07 brush. And I just concentrate this in the center of my face. And then I kind of just do any excess everywhere else. So I was at the lake for like 3 days straight during the 4th week, and oh my gosh, I just got so much sun. Like, can you see it? Am I like glowing? I don't know. I just feel like now when I edit my videos for these, I'm like, girl, you're tan. I just love that. That looks better tan, so I need a tan every day. I'm gonna warm up my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. To warm up just my neck, I'm using the O2 brush. This brush is perfect for doing your neck and like your chest. Cause it's so big, like it just goes so quick. And honestly, I don't need to do that much on my chest, but it just kind of like helps any imperfections and makes it all even. To warm up my face, I'll use the 04 brush. Oh my gosh, so guess what I did the other night? There may have been some beverages involved, but I sang karaoke. And I don't sing in front of people. Like, I don't even sing in front of my boyfriend. Like, I just don't. Like, I'll jam it in my car any day. But I sang karaoke. And it was fun. I did it with a friend. And thank God I would not have gone up there alone. But I'm glad I did it, you guys. It was fun. I stepped out of my comfort zone. And by the way, I'm contouring out my nose. And my camera's about to die now that I see that. So that's great. Do I hurry the video or do I like quickly switch the battery? Oh, let's try and hurry the video. I'm using the NARS Deep Throat blush, and I'm just going to use the same 04 brush that we used to warm up my face. Oh, by the way, guys, I don't even think I told you this, but I used the 40 brush for under my lip and my nose. It is the perfect, like, I don't even know. It's the perfect brush for that. Because it's not too stiff, but it's not too fluffy either. Anyone know what I mean? I'm also putting this on my nose. I need to like look burnt, so great way to do that. I'm using the MAC Mineral Skin Finish Soft and Gentle highlighter, and to buff that into the skin, I'm using my 09 brush. I really like how big this brush is because it gets like a bigger area, obviously, when doing this. So, and it picks up more product, so it like looks hella sparkly. Looks good though. I'm just gonna dab some on my Cupid's bow there. And then with this brush, I put it on my collarbones. If I'm wearing like a lower necked top, I love doing this. It just like adds a bit to my body. It looks hot. I'm gonna go in with my 42 brush. This is basically like a high. This is basically a concealer brush for doing like a cut crease. It works bomb. Thebomb.com. Okay, now that I have a lot of like powder on my face, I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Oh, and it smells so good. It literally smells like an air freshener. Like, oh. Whoever invented that formula, props to you, honey, because it smells good. I have white shorts on right now, so I have a towel on it, like on my lap, because I don't want to get makeup on it. No, that wouldn't be good. Okay, let's do the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. It's V2. I'm guessing it has a V2 number on it. I don't know. It's really pretty though. Like, oh my god. Look at those colors. Oh, I don't even know. I don't have like a Let's just dive right in with this brush. I haven't used a lot of these like eyeshadow brushes yet for the Morphe Jaclyn Hill, so here we go. I'm just gonna go in with my 30 brush. It's basically a blending brush. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Rush, which is this shade here. It's kind of like a, I don't know, a light orange. It's really pretty though. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this out all over my lid, and I just want to make sure that it's very even. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see. So I'm just blending this and making sure there's no harsh lines and that it's just even. So far there's no fallout, which is good. I kind of like it. She cute. Let me do the other eyeball. Okay, so that's that. I'm gonna quickly go put a new battery in my camera. So I'll be back. Don't worry guys, I got it figured out. I put a new thingy of a boober in it. Okay, so right now I just have the shade Rush. The next brush I'm going to go in with is the 32 brush. It's basically just like the one I used but a smaller version. And I'm going to go in with Shadow Alert. It's very similar to the color I just used but kind of like a darker version, I would say. And I'm just lightly popping this on the outer part of my lid. And then I'm just kind of blending it in, making sure that I'm going to go with the other brush quick, but I'm just going to make sure it's all blended. I'll just quickly go to the other eye. I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush 39 and go in with the same shade Alert and just put this on my lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with my 30 brush into the first shade we went into, Rush, and just kind of build it up on the inner part just to enhance it. I feel like I kind of lost some of it, or I just want it a tad darker. So I'm going to go in with my 41 brush. It's a nice concealer brush. I'm going to add a kind of shimmer on my eye. I don't know which one I want. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Boom, which is this one right here. It's kind of a, I don't know, purpley burgundy color. I am gonna wet my brush, but first I kind of just want to go in with it dry and see what it looks like. Oh, pigment's there, guys. It looks good. Wow, I almost feel like I don't want to wet it. Which doesn't happen a lot. I really like the consistency of the glitter. Pretty, okay, I like that. I'm not gonna wet it. False alarm, guys. I'm gonna go in with my 30 brush again in the shade Rush, the first color. And I just wanna kind of blend out on the outer part where I put the Boom shade. I just wanna make sure it's blended nicely. I really like this. This is really pretty. I am just going to pop my MAC highlighter just for kind of a lighter champagne in the inner part of my eye. Just to kind of connect it. Okay, while I'm here, I might as well quickly do my eyebrows. I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil. I am in the shade Ebony. And I do have a brow tutorial, so I'm just going to kind of go quick through this. Okay, next I am going to go in with my Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Just brush them up. And then I'm just going to go in with my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray. For my lips today, I'm going in with my Urban Decay Barfly Cream Lipstick. I can't decide if I want to do lashes today. I'm just like back and forth on it. I can see how this look would probably be really pretty if I don't, Maybe I will. I'll just do my natural lashes today, guys. I know, I'm boring. I actually haven't done my lashes on this channel in a hot minute, but I'm all about the easy routine now, guys. Sorry. Now that it's summer, let me just curl my lashes quick. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I know I have, because this is pretty. I really like this. I definitely would recommend getting this palette because I'm shocked at the pigment. I honestly didn't have to work that hard to blend out any of the eyeshadows. Like, what? That's usually a difficult task. And the fact that I didn't have to wet the shimmering eyeshadow is nuts. Just nuts. I'm going with my Benefit mascara. Benefit, they're real. Oh my god, that's so pretty, you guys. I definitely like it better than lashes. I feel like it's, I don't know. It's like a really pretty, like soft glam almost. Okay, my hair is like bothering me. Girl, if you have blue eyes, this is the eyeshadow look to do. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is what it looks like with just mascara. And I really like it. I think it's like more of like a soft glam then. Especially for the summer. I think when I wear lashes, I just feel too glammed. Especially when all these girls like don't wear makeup. So I'm like, hey. So I don't know. I think this is a really pretty look. Love the color of the eyeshadow. It is beautiful. Especially like with the clothes I'm wearing today, I just feel like it looks good. Especially with like a tan. It's like the perfect color. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, montage time. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning. Okay, you guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know I did. I think this is just a perfect summer glam if you want to like kind of go crazy, have some fun with color. Definitely would recommend getting this Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I will definitely link it below for you guys. That way you know which one it is. Make sure to like, comment below, and subscribe, and hit that notification button because I do post every Wednesday and Sunday at 2 p.m. And I will see you beautiful people in the next video. Where's the off button?